trip or what?
Yeah, wicked, man.
Righto, we're all filled up with fuel, our guts, and we're on our way to the campsite. Me and me boy on our first camping hunting trip. First night. Cool. Yeah, we're all set up. I'm keeping my voice low as my boy has a migraine, poor bugger. So he's resting up for a bit. That's Ross's setup. We've got the clay thrower and some plinker equipment that we brought along with us. Had a really nice fire and a great feed last night. I've got Ross set up with some old spotties that I've had sitting in the shed for years. They're HIDs. Yeah, they're great. Just reach through the window, turn them off and on and spin them around, and yeah, they still work a treat. Love them. I can't and won't say where this property is, but a big shout out to the property manager. What a legend, letting us go out there and camp on there. And it's just great that we can do him a favour by getting rid of some vermin for him. Ross setting up his target. We set the targets in at 25 metres to see if we're shooting bunnies or anything in close. And we found that the bullets are dropping about 4 inches, 3 to 4 inches. So now it's testing it at close to 50. So we can see where the bullet's going around that distance now. We should be, we're zeroed in at 100. So yeah, we'll just see. Fucking flies are everywhere. Didn't bring the salt gun. And Anya, where did you put your net? Mine's in the back where they're supposed to be. This is Ross's 140th attempt to hit the target. He hasn't hit it yet. Well, he hasn't hit the 10 yet, and that is a first.
Got 2 fucking 10s already.
He did too. Yeah, you did get 2 10s because it was shooting low, so you aimed higher. That's right. You ready?
I'm ready when you are.
Go. Righto.
You didn't try to man.
Just because you're still going to have drop, aren't we? Because of the...
Well, no, I don't know where it's going to go.
Because if it dropped there, I would think we'd still have... Because we sighted them in at 100, correct?
Yeah.
Because
it's still going to raise about, I think, 25s just to close.
Well, there's a tent. Oh, the two tents you got before. Oh, there's a third one in there. And where did you aim at? The 9 or the 8?
No, so just in the top of the 10 ring.
Not a bad little spot here, mate, eh?
Oh no, it's an awesome spot.
We're mapping out the boundaries on this property so as we don't go outside of them and so forth. Which I'm using Memory Maps, which is a free app, and I've downloaded the HEMA maps for $99, a one-off fee to go with it. And the good thing is we can mark for a return back to our campsite, or mark where there's really good hunting areas or whatever else. It will also do a record, so it will record us wherever we drive. So we'll drive right around the whole boundary, and then I'll turn that, change the colour of that into whatever colour I want that stands out, and I'll name it, you know, boundary. Really happy with this setup. Did you get it?
I got it.
Oh, you
You
arsehole!
can still see it though.
Fuck, I move a lot.
Yeah.
I move a lot.
Nah, bag wasn't in properly. Yeah.
That might have been a good one too. Yeah, I got the fucker.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Good. So there should be one through the arse and one through the top. So this is going to be interesting.
Oh, you threw it all the way as well. So it was on the tray. That was my shot. So it went right through the
shit.
guts of it. Threw it over here. Kicked it over right here.
Well, you hit it high.
It's yours.
Oh, there you go. That's... Oh no, there's one high. Yeah, one high. Oh, yeah. So it was probably laying down like that. I've gone high as well.
Oh, and that's what.
And I hit the
it.
back edge, and
Yeah,
and yeah, you've hit it high up there and to the left a bit.
That's it.
That's not fucking bad from back there freeing.
Yeah.
That's fucking good. I still wouldn't do anything. I still wouldn't freehand if I didn't have to, though. I can tell you that right.
Oh yeah, no. No, if you can jump on something, even you just like getting out. I was just leaning on the car at one point.
Yeah.
Even that's good.
Anything.
Steady.
Yeah. And the bipod, we've got to remember that's in there. Oh, let's fuck get out of here.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go try.
Really. Same company, same loads.
Oh no,
I
but
think they're just using a different projectile or something.
yeah, but that's enough to change it.
True.
Maybe.
Nah, true, because it only takes one grain and it changes it, doesn't it?
Yeah. %65 battery.
Yeah, beautiful. Is that in there? Lovely. That's him. That's him.
What do you reckon? We'll go down there?
Just in case.
Just what I'll do is get you to. Just you ready?
Mate, literally almost right next to that box. Shot finally hit something. This is gonna. Although, what are we doing? You hungry now? We eating later?
I was going to cook now. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Cool.
Get down the road so we can go.
Yeah.
All right.
Ross cooked us up a storm with his famous steak Diane. It was beautiful. We campsite, Ross?
Pretty fucking awesome.
Pretty fucking awesome. Thought we'd get a little fire going. And it's all from the roots and that around here. There's Ross's setup. We just got to put his awning out a bit later. We're not sure if we're going back hunting again or not. There's my setup over here.
There we go. 96%. I thought I put it on backwards for a second. I forgot it's got that little selfie camera as well.
It's good that you can look at the front now as well as the back to see if it's on.
Yeah, that's really good, right?
I really love it.
Yeah, an awesome setup.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Oh yeah. I reckon he's sitting there, just lifting his head every now and again.
Whistle?
I reckon.
It's definitely a fox hack.
Oh, I would put money on that was a fox, to be honest.
You were pretty close. We're going to go have a look.
Let's see if I got.
He's either dead or he's not.
Yeah, didn't see anything, eh? I wish he'd seen him run off or whatever and got the name here.
Right. But I gotta say, like, I mean, no, I reckon he was smaller too. I don't know, man. I feel like he fucking hit him.
Yeah. I thought that was very similar. But yeah, definitely not 10 years. I paid $100 for this, and that was like half price. That's like dirt cheap.
I reckon that's probably what he was after.
It is, look. Should eat his ass out. Yeah, that's what it's going. So we were spot on.
Yeah.
With where we were.
Yeah.
I reckon that's what it was.
Yeah, no, but I reckon have a look around here.
Yeah.
Because He probably was like got worried looking at
True.
us not working there.
True. That's a great trip, man.
Yeah.
Fucking brilliant.
Hey, a good dry campsite. We reckon we'll be back again.